Eventually the time will come when you have to change the battery in a Mercedes key fob. Today, mine needs a new battery, and in this video I'll show you how to do it step by step for my 2015 Mercedes C300. The battery is under this plastic back cover, so the first thing to do is to pop out the physical key. On the bottom, slide the black latch to the right to release the key. I'm going to use the physical key to pop off the battery cover by inserting it in the opening on the opposite side of the key storage area. Press in lightly and the battery cover will pop off. This C300 key fob uses a CR2025 battery, which I have here. To remove the old battery, you might need a small screwdriver to get it loose. Then insert the new battery back into the key fob, with the positive side facing up. Last step is to put the cover back on, and your key fob should be good to go for several years to come. Once the physical key is slipped back in, we're all done. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my weekly videos.